Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel by Kamalu. Now, let me just do a quick unboxing of the floorboard from the Willie G Skull collection. Now, mine is a contemporary one. Now, this goes for all the 2018 and later Fat Boys and the Softail Deluxe models. And this in particular, this is actually the classic style. This goes for all the heritage, the 18 and later. That's like the new Milwaukee. So let's see what it says. It says here skull footboard insert for the contemporary. So if it's the 18 later FL Softail Deluxe or maybe Softail models equipped with contemporary style rider footboards. Now here's my bike. This actually complements the rear foot peg that I have, like which is also the Willie G Skull collection. Now I'm actually in the process of changing the timer cover, and then the derby cover, the grips, and yeah, and all the brake shift. I need the gear shifts, the brake pad. So I'm in the process of that. So this is actually the first unboxing in that series. Um, about this, um, this is actually, if you guys know, I've been searching for this contemporary style a lot. And as you guys can see, this is actually manufactured in September 30th, 21. What I mean is, these guys, the Harley does not produce this anymore. Which obviously means it's pretty hard for me to get it. I've been searching all around the internet, and this is where I got it sourced from. Harley Davidson Gold Run in South Africa. So I paid about 2196 rand of theirs, which is roughly about um, 400 500 dirhams. Because at that time I was in Dubai, and a good friend of mine, Ismail, is actually the parts manager of Harley Dubai. He actually got it for me and paid about 280 dirhams as shipping. So it came total roughly about 730 dirhams, and which you convert in US dollars roughly about $200. Yeah, that's what I paid for the floorboard insert, which is obviously a little higher when compared to the price which is listed on their website. But you know, you gotta pay the price for when you have to procure something which is getting rare. So without further ado, let me just open it. I'm also seeing this for the first time, obviously. I haven't opened it. Let's have a quick look. So how do you do it? I think it's in two pieces. Sorry guys, I don't have a tripod on me. I've been planning to invest a lot on YouTube right now, since you know, these are my first vlogs, and I haven't started earning anything from this. You know, eventually, obviously, when things get monetized, I'll upgrade it. Let me just quickly open it. Now here you go. Seems like actually I gotta open both sides to push it through. So here we go. Wow. This is the one. I think this is the right one, the right side. So how this works is, You've got like 4 sort of rubber inserts, and I think it should go under here. So I think it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You just push this through the 4 pins or rubber pins or whatever it is, and this should probably come out, and you replace that with this. So, and this should come like this. Right, awesome. Here you go, guys. All I needed was just a screwdriver, and just push it and it'll come through. You know, it's just come through like that, and you just replace it with the brand new Willie G Skull collection footboard insert. Now, before that, I obviously want to clean my floor pan. It's got pretty dirt and grime in it, so I'll clean it, and I'll just insert it. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of lubricants or something, just to make it smooth. Now, here, guys, is how it look. Now, to remove, like I said, all I needed was a screwdriver. And then I just lubricated all the rubber points. And then this is what I used, a plier. Now, how I did it was just pressed it. I don't know if you guys can see it. And you know, with this I just pull it down, and it just snugged in. Perfect. Here you go. So there was another video that I saw. The gentleman was taking the floorboard off and you know, doing it. So this is just a straight DIY thing that you don't even, you know, need to remove your floorboard unless you really want to like clean underneath and you know, and all that. Otherwise, it's just pretty straightforward thing. You know, just take it off with a screwdriver and just you know, fix a new one with just a plier. And that's about it. Now, more videos will be coming once I get my brake pads and all the other timer covers and all the other Willie G here you go, guys. Final look. How it looks. So since I mentioned that this is kind of rare, at the moment I could only find this in their website in South Africa. I'll obviously post a link if anybody is interested who has a 18 or later Fat Boy or Softail who just want to go for an upgrade. Definitely go click the link in the description. Take care, bye bye.